Hi there, this is Noah with the Training and Marketing Department. This is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to close for deliveries only over a span of days. Now before we dive into that, I want to encourage you to like and subscribe to the ERS YouTube channel so you never miss out on any updates. And you can do that by clicking on the little ERS logo in the lower right hand corner of your screen. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this Help Me menu. And if you don't see this Help Me menu, send an email to support@eventrentalsystems.com and we will get that in your folder for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and I am going to click on step-by-step guides. Then I'm going to click on closures, and I'm going to click on closing for deliveries only. Yada, yada, yada. Some weirdo wrote this text that basically just says this will allow you to close your business for deliveries over a span of days while still allowing for customer pickups, blah, blah, blah. It's going to walk you through it. Basically, that's what this is saying. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'm following instructions for once in my life. So as you can see, the tutorial actually walks you through everything you have to do step by step. Whoops, I accidentally chose the wrong rule. All right, now, as it says here, I am going to follow the YYYYMMDD format. Going to go ahead and copy and paste that. And so for that 2-day span, I am going to be closed for deliveries. I'm going to change this to say pickups only. I like that phrase. And then I'm, again, following instructions. All right, so now we are going to click here to check our work. Okay, so basically what it's telling me is go ahead and start the process of placing a test order so you can see what that order by date calendar looks like. And if the days aren't showing up as closed, I probably didn't follow that format correctly. And then I have a hilarious joke down here because I'm so funny, but looks aren't everything. Haha. All right, now I am going to have to use these arrows to navigate to the correct month. And here we are, pickups only. My close phrase is in there. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Super simple. Just like me. Don't listen to what my ex-wife tells you. As always, if you got questions about this or anything else in the system, you can always reach out to 505-435-9731 extension 102 for tech support or support@eventrentalsystems.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.